Still stuck in slide hell? Say goodbye to boring decks. And hello to Gamma. The future of storytelling and stunning presentations is finally here. Gamma is not your average slide tool. It's a modern doc meets deck platform, giving you polished, interactive, and beautiful content without spending hours designing. Let's talk features. First, AI-powered creation. Just type your idea, and Gamma builds a complete deck for you in seconds. Next, responsive design. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, your presentation looks crisp and clean. And don't forget, embeds and interactivity. Add videos, websites, charts, forms, or even live polls right inside your doc. Whether you're a student, content creator, entrepreneur, or remote team, Gamma helps you express ideas without the stress of formatting or fiddling with slides. Gamma is like Google Docs, Notion, and Canva had a genius baby. Traditional tools, clunky and static. Gamma, fast, smart, and dynamic. Ready to ditch boring slides forever? Try Gamma for free and turn your ideas into beautiful, engaging stories effortlessly. This is the unique lazy genius, making smart living effortless.